Okay, hello! So here we go. Now I'm doing the next piece for my other winner of my live on TikTok. So what I've been doing is the lives that I do on TikTok, whoever's my top gifter gets to decide the colors I use, the style I do, and the canvas I use. So I'm in my crazy makeshift art studio walk-in closet bathroom about to go for it. So what he decided on was a lot of pinks and a lot of greens. So he chose 7 colors, and then I also have my interferences that I always use because, you know, they add the depth. But yeah, here we go. We're called Malachi, my hot pink guy. So here we go. This should be fun. I've never done a zigzag pattern with a bloom, and I haven't even done a bloom in a while, so this should be interesting. But here we go. Let's do this, let's do this, let's do this. Malachi, my hot pink guy. We're doing a zigzag. So a zig and a zag. Or how are we gonna do it? Should we do it like bish, bish, bish? Yes, we'll do it boof, 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 bloom, bloom. He wants a zigzag and a bloom. Here we go.
And now it's the pillow time. I use in my pillow is Glendon Premium Base 1 in Satin and American Floetrol. And now it's time for the colors. What I mix my colors with is always Valspar Reserve Base C in Satin and Josonia Gloss Varnish. And these are the colors my live TikTok winner Malachi chose. So we've got those pinks, we've got the greens all there, we've got some neons, definitely shimmers, I love it. And remember, he wanted me to do a zigzag pattern, but with blooms, and at the end he said like a tree. So here we go, let's see. And now it's the swipe time. And what I use as my cell activator is I always use Amsterdam brand paint mixed with the magical Australian Floetrol 1:1 ratio, and I always load it up on palette knives. I'm addicted to that palette knife swipe. Okay, and here comes the blooms. Like I said, I haven't done these in a while, and I've never been too great at them regardless. I don't know, my brain. But here we go. Okay, and now it's the spinning and tilt time. Plus, I'm going to read the lyrical poem I wrote for this piece, inspired by Malachi, who originally was just like, I only like hot pink. But then he branched out to some greens and then was like, I want blooms in a zigzag like a tree. So here we go. Here's the poem. Malachi, that hot pink guy. When we look beneath the surface, it's no wonder we get nervous, as the human mind is not easily defined. Personality is how we impact reality, while identity is our actuality, deriving all the different lenses and senses from relatable offenses and defenses, truly uniting the human existence, no longer divided by narrow-minded distance. Break it down and you will begin to understand, truly seeing all the different personalities firsthand. A beautiful thing it is to see through the eyes of all that lives. The 16 personalities is the gift that gives, embracing all the perceptions and projections, remembering we planned our directions so there is no need for corrections. Realizing all the intricacies is a beautiful thing, making life full of zest and zing. For me, I am a sucker for those who are unseen, enamored by the truly free, hypnotized by the sensationalized, and I can't help but take a ride with the cool guy vibe. Or those who are too cool for school, charmingly breaking all the rules. Or those who are too school for cool, impressively never without the right tool. I love all the different flavors, and each one should be uniquely savored. Like those who see a twisting tree with a flower, confidently owning their hot pink as their power. Like those who inspire my creative eye, those who know what they want and are far from shy. Like Malachi, that hot pink guy, swinging in hot on a jungle vine, pushing me over the line. I may not know who you are, but for a moment you are my star. With your identity strong, you're like a catchy song. So thank you, Malachi, for being my cool guy ride and bringing me that hot pink vibe.